gotta find something to do today. I wonder what I can do. Huh. Hey!
Hello!
What's that?
It's my sleigh, of course.
A sleigh?
Yes.
You probably got some problems with that. Let me take a look.
That's for your yearly checkup. I just got it. Want to see if anything's wrong with it.
I want to take a look at this sleigh.
Okay. Oh, wow.
I know why it's not working.
Because I'm not in it?
I know why. Oh. Alright, I know what you need. It's a sleigh. It needs a reindeer.
A reindeer?
Yeah. Alright. Go. Oh, it's not flying off yet. You know what? That reindeer's probably hungry.
It's literally eating.
No, it's hungry. Here, I got something for it. Hey, I got something for it. Hey, hey.
No, not hey, hey.
No, he's just going to keep you company. He's going to keep you company while I go get something for him to eat.
Okay.
Alright, there's some food in here.
Hey, hey.
There's some food in here. Why don't you grab my food?
There's nothing.
What do you mean there's nothing in there? There's a fish. All reindeer like fish. Here, see what else is in there.
Okay. Nothing.
What'd you do to it? Oh, wait a minute. There's a fish in there.
Ugh.
But no food. Alright, I know what you need. I know what you need.
What?
Alright. You stay there. I got something for you. Right?
Olaf?
Wait a minute. Olaf. We don't need the Olaf. You know, that's the wrong reindeer. That's the wrong reindeer. That reindeer ain't no good.
Wrong reindeer?
It's the wrong reindeer.
What?
You need this reindeer.
Ben?
Finn, and he's got a carrot, right? So that's the right reindeer.
Well, I guess if I just wanted to have a moving sleigh, I would just take Sven.
Alright, so let me lift this thing up. We're going to work on your sled.
Okay.
I'm going to lift it up, and we're going to fix it, alright?
All right.
Here's a carrot. You need a carrot to go along with that fish.
Oh no. Put it in the pot.
Alright. You got something down here jamming it. Here.
Really?
What's happening? It's coming down! No! Whoa!
I couldn't tell.
Alright, you stay away from that trigger, okay?
Okay.
I saw something down there jamming it up. With my own two hands, I saw something down there. You want me to fix your sled?
Sure.
Alright, I'll do it. It's going to get fixed.
I don't know how you are going to fix it though.
With my fixing stuff. 'Cause I'm a good fixer. Alright, ready?
Wait. Just in case it comes down.
Oh, no, I don't need that again.
Okay.
Alright, ready? Wait a minute, here it is. I got it. It's a snowball.
Snowball? How did that get in there?
I don't know. Another one. I got you. It's just a snowball.
Where is it?
Right, wait a minute. I need some tools. I need some tools. Where's my tool? Oh, here's a tool.
Tools. Here.
A pressure gauge. Alright, that should have fixed it. Let me try some buttons. Alright, ready?
Fix it.
Ready?
Oh.
Oh, it's lighting up.
It worked before then.
Wait. It's snowing! It's snowing! Look at all that snow!
Whoa!
What? Oh, it stopped snowing.
Snowball.
I got you, it's a snowball again. Alright, so, ow, what happened? Alright, so, let's lower this back down. Here, you fix it. You try that. I'm gonna try to, no, I'll fix it. You lower it down. I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna use hey. He's not gonna be my wrench. Alright, ready? Whoa, that's a bad idea.
You told me to lower it.
No, I was talking about using hey for a hammer.
What?
It made him mad. Alright.
Oh.
let me go find some stuff for it, okay?
Okay.
I think I got an idea. I'm gonna move this out of the way. We don't need that anymore. We don't need that anymore at all. We got this sled. I'll be right back.
Wow.
Don't move. Alright, I'm gonna fix it. I've got it. I was doing it wrong. I need to push the button with 2 hands.
Push the button with
Yeah, remember all that snow came out? That was a sign. But it wasn't. It was a sign that I almost had it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's snowing. Wait, what's happening to me?
What? You're frozen!
I don't think that worked out like I wanted to, assistant.
Good thing Elsa gave me her unfreeze wand.
No, I'm getting warm. I'm getting warm. Whoa, I'm getting a little too warm.
Oh no!
Oh boy! Look, I'm turning red. Oh, push that button, assistant. Push that button. Oh, whoa.
Finally!
I went frozen to too hot. Woo. How about roasting my giblets? All right, I'll tell you, why don't you get in there, and I got something to fix it for sure now.
Okay.
So wait a minute, I got you, Sven. You get ready here, Sven. You don't eat these carrots. No, you eat these fish. They're good for you. Here, and we're gonna put hay on your back, and then here. All right, so here's an Olaf for you.
Okay.
All right, you got an Olaf?
Yeah.
I put him there. Here's another Olaf.
Wow.
All right. 2 Olafs are definitely enough, but 3 Olafs are even better, right?
Yeah.
You got 3 Olafs.
Yeah, they're really.
All right, here's a 4th one.
Oh no.
Oh man, you're just using up all my Olaf.
It's getting really tight in here.
Really? Well, here's another Olaf for you.
Okay.
All right, so you got
What's this supposed to do exactly?
fix your sled. All right, now you should be okay. Wait a minute.
Okay, but
Where'd you go? Where'd she
I
go?
can't see the road.
But where'd you go, assistant?
My face is right here.
I don't see you.
I'm right here.
I don't see you.
My hand.
Is she there?
Yes, my hand.
But where are you?
I'm right here.
Oh, you're on. Wait a minute. Right here. What's it? Wait a minute. What's this thing?
Got really tight in there.
Is it really tight in there?
Yes.
That little Olaf had a baby. Are you the baby? Baby.
Here's an Olaf.
Oh, that's a little bitty Olaf too. Here, take that one. Here's the Olaf.
Oh.
Olaf.
Give me that here.
Chicken, rooster, Olaf.
I can't see.
All right, I'm gonna move Sven. Now see if you can go. See if it works. Try to drive toward my wall. Oh, what are you doing? You're driving in my wall. Man, you're acting like you can't even see where you're going.
Because I can't.
All right, Olaf's are out of here. You back this thing up. Get it, you're too close to my wall.
Okay. Oh no.
See, it's broken. I told you. I got something to fix it.
Okay. Oh, finally.
Wait a minute. Snowballs.
Oh.
There's snowballs everywhere. Ow, you got me in the face. I got a little bitty snowball. All right. So I think I fixed your sled. The first, let me check it out, and I'm gonna point to the problem. The problem's you.
No.
You're the problem.
No.
Right here's the problem with the sled.
No, wait, can I see it?
Sure.
You're the problem. You did absolutely nothing.
No, I'm telling you, you just saying why said. Here,
You did
we gotta get rid of this snowgie.
nothing. Ugh.
You just wait right there. I got
I
something
like
to fix
you
it. I got something to fix it. Here, I'm gonna pull that sled on my reindeer.
Reindeer, that's a zebra.
Same thing. Whoa, whoa! You stop it, buddy! Oh. All right, I don't know how to drive that thing.
So is this the final result, or what? Oh no, no, no! I just got this! No!
Oh, your glasses are broken. Here, I'll fix those too. Hey, look right here. Wait a minute. Oh, you had all this stuff in there. No wonder it didn't work.
Oh, yeah.
You want to fish?
Sure.
So long. All right, sister, let's see if it works now. Try to drive it forward. Another satisfied customer.
Because you did nothing!
What do you think about that Olaf 1 and Olaf 2? Get out of here! You owe me some money. You owe me lots of money.
No!
You owe me lots of money.
Here, I'll pay you in this. Just sit there and hang tight, okay?
I don't need that sled here.
Okay?
All right. Oh, look, another Olaf. Hey, Olaf. Oh, it's like a warm hug. Man, I can't really see very well. What's going on? Hi. Hey,
Now you know how it feels.
I've got an Olaf butt in my face. I've got Olaf's butt in my face. It smells like snow.
Now you know how it feels. Well, now it's time for me to get my getaway. Bye-bye.
Well, no, you gotta give me my money. Give me my money. Oh, man. Oh, you coming back to pay me?
Bye-bye.
That assistant, I wish she'd pay me. People at home, what do you think? Do you think I should just take my Olaf and go home?
Probably.
I don't know.
Bye.
All right, everyone. Thanks for watching our video. Bye.
How about I give you $0?
No, that's not a sale. No, I'm not.
We shook hands. It's a deal. Bye.
You shook Olaf's hand. Bye, everyone. Hey there, everyone. Thanks for watching our video. Hey, don't forget to check out this next one. I think you're really going to like it. And also, ask your parents to subscribe to the Engineering Family. Thanks. Bye.